Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to create an event on Eventbrite. So to begin with this procedure, you have to open up a browser. Also make sure that you have already created your account. And then to begin with, open up a new tab and on the web address bar type in www.eventbrite.com/login or sign up. When you do that, it's going to take you to the home official site where you have to go and press the login button, enter in your credential and log in into your account. Once logged in, it's going to look something like this. Here you can go ahead and just tap the option that says create event. When you do that, it's going to direct you to the other page or the procedure where you can actually go ahead and start creating an event. So first thing, it's going to ask you to upload a photo and a video of the event that you wish to create. If you don't want to do this procedure, just skip this part, and here you need to go ahead and enter in your event title. So go ahead and enter in the event title. You could also go ahead and grab attention with a short description about the event that's happening. Now it's time to add date and time, location, and all of these information. And about the event also, you could go ahead and add some detailed information such as venue, location, whatsoever. And if you wish to go ahead and explore more section, then you could go through all of these. And when you've done that, click on save and continue located right at the bottom. Once you've done that, your event's gonna be saved and it's going to be notified that you've successfully created your event on Eventbrite. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.